Hi everyone! Welcome back to class. Did you read today's article? It's about something truly magical. Chile's Atacama Desert, bursting into color after rare rainfall. This desert is usually dry and empty, but now it's covered in flowers. Let's find out how nature turned this barren land into a breathtaking garden. Now let's start with a quick summary. I'll read it out loud, and I want you to listen carefully. In a moment, I'll ask you to fill in some missing words. Ready? Let's go. After rare rain, Chile's Atacama Desert suddenly filled with colorful wildflowers. Over 200 species appeared, drawing scientists and tourists. But all those visitors may damage the fragile land. The short-lived event reminds people how nature can recover beautifully, yet needs care and protection from human impact. Let's check the answers together. The first blank is wildflowers. These are flowers that grow naturally without being planted by humans, a symbol of untouched nature. The second blank is fragile. This means easily damaged or delicate. The Atacama's soil and plants can be harmed just by walking off the path. The third blank is recover. It means to return to a healthy or normal state after damage. Here, it shows how the desert's ecosystem can bounce back after long dry years. Now that we've reviewed the summary, let's dive into some questions to check your understanding of the article. Feel free to pause if you need some time to think. Let's get started. Let's start with two multiple-choice questions to test your understanding of the article. First question. What caused the Atacama Desert to bloom? A. Strong winds. B. Rare rainfall. C. Higher temperatures. D. Desert animals returning. The correct answer is B. The article says the bloom happened after rare rain, which helped the dormant seeds grow into colorful wildflowers. Next question. Why are experts worried about tourism in the Atacama Desert? A. Visitors may damage plants and ancient sites. B. Tourists are bringing too many seeds. C. Rainfall will stop because of visitors. D. The government plans to close the desert. The correct answer is A. Experts warn that walking or driving off trails can destroy fragile plants or ancient sites hidden in the sand. Now, let's move on to two true or false questions. First, the Atacama Desert blooms every year. The correct answer is false. It blooms only after rare rains, sometimes after decades of dryness. Next, the Atacama's desert bloom shows how nature can be both fragile and strong. The correct answer is true. The article highlights how the desert recovers beautifully, but still needs protection from human impact. Great job today. This story reminds us how patient and resilient nature can be. Even in the driest places, life waits for the right moment to bloom again. Let's remember to protect nature so it can keep surprising us with its beauty. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time.